If you are new to the field, software testing is a process or method of finding errors in a software application or program so that the application functions according to the end user's requirement. Before it reaches the hands of the end users, you make sure it's defect-free. Here we can see an issue in a website. So this is an example for software testing issues. This should be a localization issue. I mean, this supposed to be an Arabic version of the application. And in the Arabic version, the word download should not be written in English. It should be written in the equal term in Arabic. We will discuss later the types of bugs and how to classify them. Who can be a software tester? Everyone can be a software tester. And why is that? We have two types of software testing: black box testing and white box testing. Black box testing is to test the site without knowing the inside of it, and that's why they call it black box testing. So you are not involved in the coding and technical stuff of making this app. White box testing involves testing the coding and the technical components of the software. This needs a true study for software testing, and it's rare in the software testing websites.